Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to draw anime using Canva AI and how to make money from it. Let's get started. Part 1, Canva AI. Step 1, go to canva.com and register for an account if you don't have one, link in the description. Step 2, click on Discover Apps and select Text to Image. Create a new design with a custom size of 2500 by 3500 pixel. Step 3, set the orientation to portrait. Choose Drawing Style option. Type your prompt description, and don't forget to add transparent white background text. Generate the image. Then resize it. Step 4, download the image as PNG and make it twice its original size. Part 2, Canva Background Remover. Step 1, go back to the Canva dashboard and click on Discover Apps again. Select Background Remover. Create a new design with a custom size of 2500 by 3500 pixel. Step 2, select Upload section. Resize your image, and click Edit Image. Choose BG Remover and wait for the process to complete. Step 3, download the image as PNG and make it twice its original size, then save it to your computer. Part 3, Zazzle. Step 1, go to Zazzle.com and register using Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or email. Once you've registered, click on Sell and start selling today. Verify your email to continue. Step 2, enter your store details and use ChatGPT to create a SEO-friendly description. Watch my previous video on ChatGPT for more information, link in the description. Step 3, select T-shirt from menu, choose a category, type, and color. And click Customize this design. Step 4, upload your design. Customize its size and position. And click Done. Step 5, preview your design on the mockup. And if everything looks good, click Sell it. Step 6, complete the product title, description, and tags using ChatGPT. Step 7. Set your royalty percentage and click Post It. Don't forget to share your product on social media and complete your store data to improve your Zazzle search ranking. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next money-making video.